Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this really simple eye look. I already did this one off camera and I based my other eye using my MAC paint pot in the color Lay Low. So we're going to be using the Sephora Collection eyeshadow palette, and this is the medium warm palette. So I like this palette because it's really neutral and it's really good for beginners. So we're going to be starting off with this cream shade right here. I'm going in with a very small eyeshadow brush and I'm just going right up under my brow to create that highlight. I like to do this part first just to kind of get my eyebrow to pop. Y'all see those hairs? I guess I should have shaved before I did this. Anyway, that's not the point. The eyeshadow will cover it up. So I'm just tapping and building. Next, I'm gonna go in with this peachy color right here. I'm gonna go in with this color as a crease color and I'm gonna go above my crease. I'm going in with blending brush and I'm just creating small circles and basically just blending out that crease. So after I have the desired look I'm going for, I'm going to go in with this other crease brush and I'm going to use this chocolate color right here. And basically I'm just deepening up that crease and I'm creating more depth to my eye. Also creating a small V in the corner just to create more depth for that eye look. Next, I'm going to go in with this shimmery color right here in the middle. It's a nice rose gold shimmery color. And I'm going to go in with my large eyeshadow flat brush. Because I have a base on my lid already, it's kind of already sticking. So I do recommend that you use a base to kind of get that eyeshadow to stick and pop out more. But this eyeshadow is really pigmented and I was actually really shocked with how good it looked. So last, I'm just cleaning up those areas, and basically the areas that I felt like the color got a little bit lost, I'm just going back in with the same brushes that I used and just adding a little bit more color, but that's pretty much it, guys. So the areas that have fallout, I'm not really worried about it because I go in with a makeup wipe and I also go in with my foundation afterwards, so it pretty much works for me. And that's pretty much it. Pop the lashes on, followed with some eyeliner, and that's it. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I know to drop you more videos like this. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.